Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. So guys, it's very easy. If you want to do that, the first step you have to take is to, of course, open your Snapchat app just like this, and then all you have to do is to click on this message icon appearing at the bottom of your screen. Now once you click on that, right here you want to find your friends on Snapchat. So these are your friends on Snapchat. Now if you want to create a group, the second step you have to take is to click on this icon you're seeing at the bottom right corner. Tap on that. Now once you tap on that, the next thing you have to do is this. You have to choose people you want to add to this your group. Now I'm going to add this person, just 5 users. You can add up to 100 friends in this group. Now I'm going to add these users, and then these are the users I want to add. All right, so the next thing I have to do is to give my group a name. Now if you look at the top of your screen, you're going to find this new group name. Click on that and give your group a name. So I want my group name to be this. Then I'm just going to click on the back button. Now if you look right here at the bottom, there's this chat with group. I'm going to click on that button, and then I can drop my first message in the group. All right, so now look at the bottom right corner and click on send. Now I've sent my first message in this group. Now guys, if I want to add more members to this group, this is all I have to do. I'm just going to go back and click and hold on the group. And once you do that, you find this more option at the bottom. Click on the more option, and then you find this option to add members to group. Click on that and select more users. Make sure it's not more than 100 users. So guys, this is how you can create a group on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.